This video will explain how to operate your Go-To. First, long press the action button for 1 second to turn on Go-To. The camera will then automatically enter standby mode. In standby mode, single press the action button to start shooting a pro video. To stop shooting, just press the action button. Double press the action button to start shooting a time shift. To stop shooting, just press the action button. When you're finished, long press the action button for 2 seconds to turn off the camera. When the Go-To is off, single press the action button to start shooting a video. To stop shooting, just press the action button. Double press the action button to take a photo.